The sun dips low, the canyon glows, and the silence whispers songs of old. The winds they call through the desert sprawl with secrets only time can hold. I was a drifter chasing shadows down a road with no end in sight, through the dust and distant echoes in the fading amber light. I heard a voice within the silence, like a ghost upon the breeze. It sang of love and endless promise beneath the ancient Joshua trees. Oh, the canyon winds, they guide me home, through the valleys wide where the eagles roam. In the fading dust where the heavens spin, I hear my heart in the canyon winds. I met a stranger by the fire, her eyes as deep as the western sky. She said the road is full of trials, but the stars will never lie. She spoke of rivers carving canyons, of storms that bend but never break. And as the flames began to dwindle, I felt the earth beneath me quake. Oh, the canyon winds, they guide me home, through the valleys wide where the eagles roam. In the fading dust where the heavens spin, I hear my heart in the canyon winds. There's a truth out in the open where the wildflowers bloom, a freedom in the stillness, like a song that fills the room. And though the journey's endless and the night can feel so cold, the canyon winds will carry me to the stories left untold. Oh, the canyon winds, they guide me home, through the valleys wide where the eagles roam. In the fading dust where the heavens spin, I hear my heart in the canyon winds. The sun dips low, the canyon glows, and the silence whispers songs of old. I close my eyes, let the winds arise, and feel the love this land